Hello viewers, welcome to LinuxSimply. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Java on Ubuntu. So let's dive in. At first, I'm going to open the Ubuntu terminal. Now I'm going to update the installed packages. For this, I'm going to use sudo apt update. Sudo command grants administrative privileges and apt manages available packages on the system. Update updates available packages. Now I'm tapping on the enter button to continue and the password of the root user and pressing the enter button again. As you can see, it is updating the packages that are installed before. Now I'm going to install the Java package. This install command is used to install packages on the system, and this is the package name of the open source JDK. Now I'm tapping on the enter button to continue and pressing Y, the enter button again. As you can see, the installation is running. The installation is done. After the installation, I'm going to check the version of the Java I installed in my system. This will display the version of the Java. Tapping on the enter button to continue. As you can see, this is the version of the Java package installed in my system. That's all for now. Hope the video will make the installation easier. If you find this complicated, you can also read the full article, and the commands I used here are linked in the description. Try this out and let me know in the comments below. Bye-bye.